So you wanna alternate between two states, that's flip-flop. Instead of spaghetti with branch, flip-flop toggle between A and B each time it's called. To get this node, just right click and type in flip-flop and you will get this node. So it's a very special node and it's actually very useful node. For now, just remove both of these because we already have a logic prepared for us. So yeah, this is our logic of 0.2 second loop where we every 0.2 second we are flipping flopping between this is A and this is B to print again and again and again. And we can also set up a logic like is A or something like that. For now, just keep it simple and just press begin play. Now as you can see on the screen, we are printing this is A, this is B. Now this is good for toggles like lights, door, camera angles, or switching gameplay states. If you are making a toggle, flip-flop saves you lines of code. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.